This is Fun with Electronics Project 4, Part 4, where we designed the circuit using an integrated chip. So here for the integrated chip, we're using a CA3083 chip. And basically, this was the original circuit, but then it wasn't working, it wasn't blinking, so the capacitor um, value was changed to 1000 microfarads, and I switched the current limiting resistor from 1 kilo ohm to 270 ohms, and from uh, the blue LED to a red LED. So here we have the circuit, and as you can see, it's blinking. And I'm using 7.5 volts instead of the original 12 volts as the power supply, which is creating this blinking. Cool.